What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today I have a check engine light and I think it's because of the LEDs, the resistors, so let's check it out. Okay, I already disconnected the rear resistors because I have on the turn signals on the front and the rear. Okay, I have 4 resistors, so I already disconnected the 2 rears and the check engine light already went off, so it was the resistors, but I still have one problem. Okay, let me close the door so you can see it. There's no noise. I still have this problem. If I push the brake, the light goes on. Let me see, you can see it. When I am pushing the brake, stepping on the brake. So I still have to disconnect the front ones. So I'm gonna leave it without the resistor. So if it blinks, I have a hyper flashing, I don't care. But I don't want no check engine light. Okay, let me now disconnect the front ones. Okay, this one I had to rip it apart. Man, this one was super hard to remove. Remember, these are not exactly the same connection, so this one I had to rip it. And one problem that I had, the bulb, I don't know if you can see, the bulb is still inside there. So I have to get it out. I might have to remove the taillight, but I'm gonna try with the screwdriver or something to the magnet. I might get it like that, but if not, I have to remove the taillight. Okay, let me try it to get the bulb out. Okay, I got it. I use this telescopic magnet. So all I did is do it like this and pull it out. This one is super cool. It have saved me a lot of times for my mistakes. So this one, get one of these. Okay. So now let's see. Okay, I already removed all 4 resistors. So let's see if it was that, okay? Oh man, I still have that. I don't know what is wrong. And also remove the connection that I did for the LEDs, but I still have that on the brakes. So let me remove the LEDs from the brakes. Maybe it's that. Let me see. Okay, one more try. Let's see it. I removed the LEDs. Yeah, I think it's yeah, it's the LEDs. Oh man. Let me try to put the stock bulbs and see if it does that with the bulbs. Okay, so I couldn't find the white ones, so I'm gonna put a yellow ones. I'll see, I only have a yellow one. Let me try this one. Okay, I got the yellow ones over there. Oh, you can see it. Let's see. So I have to drop this thing. Oh yeah, oh man. It was the LEDs, the LED bulbs. Oh man. Wow. Because this one is giving me an error, but now it's fixed. No check engine light, and this one, it doesn't turn on anymore when I push the brake. So I don't know, I have to get another LED bulbs, something nicer. Maybe aux beam. I'll tell them if they can send me. I'm gonna make a video how to install them, but those gave me an error. Okay. Okay guys, I already fixed it. I removed all the resistors. I don't want to have that problem anymore, so I remove all of them. I don't care if I have the hyper flashing. It's fine for me, doesn't bother me. But I already removed all the resistors, and the brake bulbs, the LEDs, those are the ones that they were giving me an error, because it was when I was pushing the brake, the light of the dashboard was coming on. Okay, and also when I removed the rear resistors, the check engine light went off. I decided not to put the resistors anymore, so I'm gonna remove them. They are right here, so I'm gonna remove all the resistors. I'm gonna get rid of them. I'm gonna get rid of them. Okay, let me know if you have the same problems with these resistors. I'm gonna keep it with the hyper flashing. I think that's my only solution. And the LED, remember to get a good quality LED bulbs. Not all the bulbs are the same, and also the resistors, not all the resistors are good quality. Okay, so remember to get a good quality LED bulbs and good quality resistors, so you won't have this problem. For me, the check engine light came on, but now it's fixed. Okay, so I'm gonna ask aux beam. I think aux beam, they're pretty good quality, so I'm gonna ask them if they can send me another LED bulb for my brake lights. Okay, so let me know what you guys think about this. You had the same problems, put in the comment. If you like the video, please like the video. And if you're new, subscribe for more videos like this one, okay? See you on the next video.